How to change country in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the country in Roblox, first of all launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account on Roblox application. As you're logged into your account on Roblox application, what you simply need to do is you have to make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now, tap on the more section at the bottom right corner of the screen and select on the option of profile, or rather you can directly go to the settings option and tap on account info. As you tap on account info, you'll be able to see different information about your account. So you can simply scroll down to check on all the information. We have the option of account location at the bottom of the screen, but when we try to tap on it, we do not get the access to change the country. So for that, all you need to do is launch your browser on your device. So you have to first of all launch the Chrome browser. Then simply tap on the option of roblox.com and you can directly contact with the support team of Roblox. So you can simply tap on the search bar and search for Roblox support. And as you do that, you can simply tap on Roblox support at the very top of the screen. And after you do that, you just have to tap or simply search for the issue, or you can simply tap on the option of Roblox or I need help with my account. So you can simply tap on the search and change country. So let's tap on the search icon. And as you do that, you'll be able to see different options over here. You can follow any of the steps and you can also directly contact with the Roblox support team to help you change country in Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.